this tutorial, we are going to make a simple wave washer with the help of curve through reference point, and we will learn how to use boosted boss base feature to create this 200mm. See here and here, and the gap between these two is 15mm. Okay, now there is a 8 point at 45 degree each, and that point angle is 45 degree. Here you will see the vertical points, means the upper circle and lower circle has in same line. The center point of both in coincide. It means in one point. Here also you will see. And there are 8 points, one at lower, then upper, then lower, then upper. So let's try to make this with the help of curve. We will use the most important tool. Let's start with top plane, sketch. Now I'll activate circle tool, and this diameter 200, enter. Now here click for construction, say OK. Now here choose star point, and now we are going to add 8 number of star points. Okay, we will add some 4 more here. Escape. Now let's make some relation. Horizontal, these two horizontal. Now again these two vertical, similar these two vertical. Now activate smart dimension, click center point, second point, and the third point, and here we can make defined angle. It's 45 degree. Look, finish. Now let's make a plane. So I'm going to choose plane. Reference, I'm going to use the same top plane, and here the distance. Distance is 15mm. Okay. Now here we forget to edit this one, and this is 200mm. That's it. Now hold Control key, plane, sketch, and click insert, and here click driven sketch. See, click. Now see, it's copied. No need to draw. Now let's make few relations. Hold this. Okay, let's do these 2 points. Vertical relation. Okay, and these 2 points coincide. See, this is fully defined display. Click hide the plane, and you will see. Now exit. Now I am going to show you how to use curve through reference point. Curve through reference point. Now we will start from this point, bottom, then top, then bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Now here at bottom you have to see close curve. So you must choose. Now here see top and bottom. Say yes. Look. If we hide this one, see the curve is here, but we need this step. So front plane, sketch. So corner rectangle. Okay, now this point, this should go 4, tap 50, enter. See, this is fully defined sketch. Now exit. Now it's time to make the same thing here. So again I am going to choose sketch, control key, front plane, insert, and here option called drive the sketch. Click. And the sketch comes here. Now just drag this one. Drag up to this point. Select the upper one, hold control key, lower one, collinear. See, this is also fully defined sketch. Exit. Now what? Right click. Sketch activates corner rectangle. 4, tap 50, and enter. Now look. Exit. Again hold control key, right plane, and sketch, and hold control key, insert, drive the sketch. Now see, this blue color means it's already copied here, just you have to drag and fix to this point. Hold control key, the upper lines both. Okay, again. Shift key, collinear. See, this is fully defined sketch. Now exit. Okay. Now here going to activate lifted boss base tool. First we have to choose profile. So we are going to choose this top point. Okay. Look. Now here we don't need to go any start or constraint point. We have to choose curve. So I'm going to choose this one. Look, it took the shape. Now comes at bottom, and here one option called close loop. So let's say close loop. See, it's going to make a close. Say yes. Look, it's washer, and there is no any mark, tangent mark here. So simply we can hide, click, hide. Look. Even though let's apply appearance. Even though appearance from here solid yellow seems more practical. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks.